Hey, welcome back to my channel. I'm Julia Rose. I'm a personal stylist and today I am unboxing my new Mulberry bag. I am so excited. Obviously, I will link the bag below. And please don't hesitate to ask any questions. Let's get started. Ooh. Ow! Ooh! That is a lovely experience. Online shopping, the worst bit about it is you don't feel like you get all the stuff, you know? That feels like I've been shopping. What a nice touch. They don't just send it in a plastic bag. They make you feel special from the get-go. Dust bag. My top tip as a stylist is to not worry about the dust bags so much. Keep your bags out in your wardrobe so you can see them and you'll use them more. It's just science. Beautiful. Oh, she gorgeous. This is the Mulberry small zipped Bayswater in oak. Now, you may remember that I did a video with my other one, my What's in My Bag. It was like a baby pink. This is like the grown-up older sister. The light pink doesn't go with a lot in my wardrobe anymore. This brown 100% does. Oh, it's stunning. Oh, it is so soft. This is going to go with so much in my wardrobe, it's ridiculous. And it comes with a shoulder strap. It is just incredible. I love this. You can wear it on the crook of your arm. It's the perfect size. Not too big, not too small. This bag is stunning. I wore my pink one all the time, but like I said, it was just like, it felt quite young. This one feels much more grown up, much more sophisticated, and this brown is so rich and deep, but still golden. And it will just go with so much in my wardrobe. If you're a spring or autumn color season, I love all the stuffing they put in here. It has such a gorgeous suede interior and a separate little pocket here. Put your phone or whatever you need to grab quickly. It is buttery soft. Feels so luxurious. So this is the thing with Mulberry, okay? Mulberry. Mulberry. Americans say Mulberry. English people say Mulberry. But the thing is, it is a gorgeous brand. Now, it went away for a little while, just a hot second. And if you didn't notice, then that's absolutely fine because it's not actually like a life problem. But with the surgence of the designer bags, I'm talking Chanel, YSL, Loewe, Celine, the French and Italian designer bags, Mulberry kind of took a step back. However, it is making a resurgence. It is coming back. Want to come back to the heritage brands. And Mulberry is exactly that. It is good quality, which is why it's at a high price point. Like, it's amazing. They're great, great bags. They say British heritage, they say quality, they say iconic, and they say classic, which I absolutely love. Now, this is my favorite design out of all of the bags. I think it's really chic, simple, but also incredibly practical. I can fit my laptop in there. I can fit a bunch of stuff in there, but I like this better than the regular Bayswater. This one, I just think it's chicer and looks cuter. Now I'm gonna try it on with every single outfit that I could possibly imagine it would go with. All right, what are we gonna fit in my bag?